classic soda siphon. It's a 1920s version. We just relaunch it and just copy it. You can have a new soda siphon. The outlook is similar to the classic one. Stainless steel mesh. You can custom the logo here, laser or silk screen. Even color logos or deco paper logos. Even you can do the metal plate logos here. Stainless steel seal 304 mesh. It's a nice item for the bar decorations. It's a classic glass siphon. The cylinder, the charger, you can buy from the market. The standard 8 gram. You can make your soda drinks at home, or turn your wine become sparkling champagne drinks.